Hey guys, so if you're looking on how you can reset the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer, now you're gonna have it right here where you're gonna have heating element assembly. There you're going to find a reset button. What you want to do is pretty simple. You just want to press reset button on heating element assembly by inserting small pointed items such as paperclip in the opening labeled as reset. So try it out and you can multiple things. So when you're gonna have it plugged in, press the reset, or plug it out, press and hold the reset and then plug it back in. Or like just when it's going to be turned on, just like press the reset for about, let's say, I don't know, 15-20 seconds, and it should work.